Imagine this. If you had invested just $1 in PEP exactly 1 year ago, you'd be sitting on a whopping $500 today. That's a 50,000% return. Yes, you heard that right. A single dollar could have transformed into hundreds. But here's the burning question. Is PEPE still a gold mine in 2025, or has the ship already sailed? Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know whether this meme coin is your ticket to financial freedom or just another bubble waiting to burst. To understand where PEPE is headed, we need to look at where it came from. Launched in 2023 as a playful tribute to the internet's favorite frog, PEPE quickly gained traction. But what set it apart wasn't just the meme, it was the community behind it. Social media hype, high-profile mentions, and a cult-like following turned this coin into a sensation. And let's be honest, who wouldn't want to say their wealth came from a frog with the face of a meme? It's the ultimate flex. But beyond the laughs, PEPE's rise signaled something deeper. The growing power of community-driven assets in the crypto market. In a world where institutional money dominates, PEPE proved that the little guys still have a say. So, where does PEPE stand now? In 2025, the market is buzzing with prediction. Analysts are split. Some believe PEPE could hit $0.01, while others warn of a potential crash. Here's why both sides make compelling arguments. 1. Community strength. PEPE's community remains one of the most active in crypto. From meme contests to charity campaigns, they're keeping the coin alive and relevant. 2. Adoption in DeFi. PEPE is now being used in decentralized finance, DeFi platform, adding utility beyond just speculation. 3. Scarcity. With an upcoming halving event reducing new token issuance, scarcity could drive up the price. But there's a twist, a factor most investors are overlooking that could make or break PEPE's future. More on that in a moment. 1. Market volatility. Meme coins are notoriously unpredictable. PEPE's past gains don't guarantee future success. Second, regulation. With governments tightening crypto regulations, meme coins could face challenges that established players like Bitcoin or Ethereum won't. Third, competition. New meme coins are launching every week. Can PEPE maintain its dominance? So, is PEPE still a good investment in 2025? The answer lies in your strategy. If you're looking for a short-term speculative play, PEPE might still have room to grow. But if you're in it for the long haul, you need to ask yourself, does this coin align with your financial goals and risk tolerance? Let me put it this way. Would you bet your rent money on a meme? If not, you shouldn't treat PEPE any differently. That said, the beauty of crypto is its ability to democratize wealth. If you believe in the power of community-driven assets and are willing to take calculated risks, PEPE could be an exciting part of your portfolio. Just remember the golden rule. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. Here's the twist I mentioned earlier. PEPE isn't just a coin, it's a movement. As the crypto world evolves, meme coins like PEPE are proving they're more than jokes. They're symbols of rebellion against traditional finance, of community over corporation. But here's the catch. Movements can fade as quickly as they rise. The key to winning with PEPE, or any crypto, is staying informed, acting strategically, and knowing when to pivot. The next 6 months will be critical for PEPE's trajectory. Will you be ready to ride the wave, or will you watch from the sideline? PEPE might just be the most exciting coin of 2025, or it could be a fleeting trend. The decision is yours. If you found this video valuable, hit like, subscribe for more no BS crypto insights, and drop a comment. Do you think PEPE is the next gold mine? The future of crypto belongs to those who take action today. Subscribe for more crypto deep dives.